Alright, so currently heading to school right now. I'm actually heading to my college. I'm going to go a couple days, I think pretty much next week. Yeah, so today is not actually like the day I have to go to the college. It's more kind of like I just want to check out the campus. It was just a community college, so it was just nearby where I live. Yeah, it's kind of small, but I did call a friend. You guys might know him from the camping trip I went earlier. So we both go to this community college, and yeah, we're gonna go check out the campus. So the first day we don't have to kind of like running around, rush our way, and yeah. So here it is. Right here is the college campus. Actually, I've never been here before. I've been here kind of multiple times, but this is the first time I actually come inside. I guess the second time. First time I don't even remember coming with a friend or something. It was a lot bigger than I expected, pretty much. So I'm just waiting for another friend to get here. Where is he? I don't know, where is he? I'm pretty sure he might be still home at this point. I don't know. Hope not. 有个安三合一之类的。So we currently just check out the campus here and there, looking around like zombies. It's kind of boring.
Feels like it was 50. Feels like in TBA.
It's kind of boring, not gonna lie. There's like no one here right now. Alright, so now we are going to grab a coffee, a milk tea, a drink, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, we just had a tour of the campus. He had a meeting. There's weird sound of my car. Yeah, I had a meeting. Nothing really serious happening. Just want to go come check out the campus a little early, and that's exactly what you do. Not gonna lie, I would say just basically a high school, but more freedom, I guess, more college feel. High school, that's what it is. Wasn't expecting much. There's definitely a lot less people, I guess, because just how there is not that much people going to school at the same time. So definitely not a lot of people, which I don't know, it might be feel like empty, but it's not really big. The school is kind of not that big either, so be fine. Also today it's kind of moody today, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not feeling too good because just the mood. All right. Alright, just got a drink. I am heading home. So yeah, that's the Citrus footage earlier. We are sitting there talk about cars, schools and stuff. But yeah, I'm heading home right now. Gonna work probably tonight. Yeah, I got a little around 1 to 2 hour gap. I can relax. And yeah, then I'm gonna go home. Actually, be able to see the campus make you feel a lot more less nervous, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, let's go. Alright, just pick up the prescription again, once per month. I don't know how many months do I have to still take this. But yeah, that's this month. We're gonna go to the Toyota dealership in the afternoon for scheduling the car service. Also just gonna go check out some cars. I don't know, just for fun. And after that, yeah, probably still another work day. It's almost beginning of the school. This is my last weekend before the school starts. Alright, see you guys later. You want to set up a maintenance appointment?
A maintenance appointment?
Yeah. Oh wow, the ride interior and the ambient light. Is this ambient light? Oh wow, ambient light. Alright, I'm gonna be editing video for, I don't know, as far as this laptop dead. Then I am going to for work. See how long it takes. I don't have full battery though. I have 72%. We are here at a park today. It's like a mini little activity party get together thing. Yeah, so we ordered some crab, seafood, and yeah, that's it. I'll bring my camera, but nope. Today just a fully relaxing day. Tomorrow I'm gonna put on my bottom braces, which is gonna be freaking painful, not gonna lie. Yeah, basically I am back to school, also first day of college, community college, so I'm still kind of close here, but yeah, first day of college. What should I say? I'm a little bit nervous, but mainly I still feel like community college wasn't as fun as the actual 4-year school. So yeah, I don't know, I'm not expecting much. I'm still stuck here, which I don't know. Alright, today is the day I'm gonna put the second part of the braces on, bottom part, and after today I'm gonna be a couple days that I am not be able to actually like chew food and stuff. So yeah, by the way, just got a haircut. Looks a little too short. Alright, let's go. Just putting on the bottom part, and yeah, we're heading home right now. No, we're not heading home. I have one more thing to finish. Been working for tonight. I am not gonna lie, I am pretty tired. I don't want to do anything, but I'm not gonna let laziness beat me, so I'm gonna work. I don't know how long. Actually, I work one extra hour longer than normal because I didn't work yesterday, but yeah. I guess so. That's it.